It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl, the Glam Empress. In today's video, I am going to be working on my best friend slash sister slash client slash model for today. And today I'm just doing a monochromatic blue look on her for our uncle's 60th birthday party. So that's what I'm doing here. But I did want to talk about a little bit of what I wish I knew before becoming a freelance makeup artist. And if you want to know what I wish I knew, continue watching this video, y'all, because even as a Sephora licensed beauty advisor, this is nothing like what I expected at all. And you guys, for those of you who are new, I am a licensed beauty advisor at Sephora. So I am already a professional makeup artist, you guys. But of course, when you are following in your purpose and when you are following in your dreams, you want to do it all day long, because when you are working in your purpose, it never feels like work, you guys. But let me tell you something, even working as a makeup artist for Sephora, already this is not what I expected. Like, I thought I was gonna be getting clients left and right. I thought that, you know, they were just gonna fall in my lap because I'm already doing it. But boy, was I wrong, you guys. I am just now starting out being a freelance makeup artist. I did set up shop in my home where I'm doing makeup and taking clients and setting up my esthetician business in my home, you guys. And again, because I already work with clients, I thought it was just going to be easy for them to fall in my lap. But I was fooling myself, you guys, because no one is booking me. Yes, that's right. You guys heard it. No one is booking for me. No one is checking for me, you guys. And it really has me a little bit depressed, just because, like I said, I'm already doing it. It's not like I just was some random Ojo Blow off the street saying I'm gonna start doing makeup and started doing makeup. Like, I'm already doing it. So the reason why I'm having a hard time getting actually, I don't know the reason why I'm having a hard time getting bookings. It's to the point where I am looking for models, you guys. So I've put up flyers on my Instagram, on my new business Instagram, on my regular Instagram, on TikTok, even here on YouTube. And I'm charging $35 for my models, and I want to have creative freedom. Now, I know a lot of people talk about it should be completely free if I'm having creative freedom, but you guys, I'm already doing makeup. Like, I literally already get paid to do makeup. So, and I'm purchasing all these products. So I feel like, you know, I at least want to get paid for my time and for my skill, you guys. But I feel like at Sephora, it kind of hinders me from my true potential, because for one, I'm giving the clients what they're looking for and what they're asking for. And a lot of girlies at Sephora, they want close to no makeup, whereas though you guys can kind of see that I am a full glam makeup artist. And I feel like I'm not able to showcase my true potential because I'm doing the looks that people want me to do versus the looks that I want to do. And I'm not attracting the clientele that I want. Well, actually, I'm not attracting any clientele, but I'm not really attracting the clientele that I want, because for one, I want to get models in the door so that way I can do makeup looks that I know I can do, which is full glam, blinged out glam. And then I know once I showcase that, people will be like, oh, like, that's what I want. You know, I'll start attracting people who like getting the makeup that I love to do, essentially. But you guys, I'm having a hard time even finding models who want to pay the $35. And it's like, if they go to Sephora, they're paying $60 and up, whereas though I'm charging half of that, and I'm still not getting anyone in the door. And then most recently, I just launched a Mother's Day special to where I'm doing a free giveaway. And you guys, I haven't even had not one inquiry even, you know, reach out showing interest in the Mother's Day giveaway. Like, I'm literally giving out a free face. So it's way different than what I thought it was going to be, and it's just a little bit discouraging. But nonetheless, like, at the end of the day, with my free time, I'm always trying to keep up with the makeup trends and just keep up with the new products and everything. And I'm also looking to enhance my skills by looking for makeup like classes. But the thing about it is I am trying to specialize in all different types of makeup, like on mature skin, on teenage skin, on acneic skin, on textured skin. And a lot of the makeup that I see on Instagram, like the girlies are definitely doing their thing, but I don't really see a lot of girlies doing like mature skin or a lot of bridals or brides who may be mature, or bridesmaids or mother of the brides. Like, you just see the same type of girl with like really good skin. So I'm really trying to look for that makeup artist that knows how to do everything, knows how to do full glam, know how to do natural glam, know how to do no makeup looks, know how to do bridesmaids, know how to do mature skin. Like, I'm looking for that one artist, and I have one in mind, but of course he's really popular on YouTube. But yeah, I feel like I want to be able to master all types of different makeup, but in order for me to do that, I have to practice on people, but people is just not getting through the door, you guys. But all in all, endless learning in regards to makeup artistry is what I'm trying to more so put my energy into. Like, I just want to learn how to work on different eye shapes, like almond eyes and hooded eyes and round eyes. So that's more so what I'm trying to focus on now, you guys. But literally, like, even when I'm at Sephora, like, I get a lot of different clients, and I'm booked and busy at Sephora, you guys. But here's the thing, because I am a full glam makeup artist, a lot of people who come to get their makeup done by me do not like their makeup. They feel like it's too much, you guys. And like, they can even show me a picture of what they like, and you guys, I'm telling you, like, it's very, very hard for me to do, like, I guess, like soft glam makeup. And it's like, I can do it if I practice it, but my artistry is full glam. Like, I've came to that conclusion. And I had my first, well, actually, I had one client actually tell me that she didn't like her makeup. All the other ones, you can kind of tell that they don't like their makeup. So I know how to read in between the lines, you guys. But that's what I wish I knew before I started the makeup industry, because I feel like, because I love full glam, I expect everyone else to be full glam. And even with me doing my best friend's makeup right now, like, I didn't go as full glam as I wanted to go, just because we were going to a family event, and this was maybe her first time getting her makeup done professionally, and I didn't want to scare her, and I didn't want to scare the family. But you guys, it's very different than what I thought it was gonna be. But all in all, you guys, I love making people feel beautiful. I did get booked for my very first wedding, you guys, and it was an absolute complete success. Everyone loved their makeup to the point where they started crying. So I'm not gonna give up on my passion and my purpose, you guys. And again, I am looking for models. If you are in the Tampa Bay and Wesley Chapel, Florida area, definitely go to my booking site and book yourself as a model. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.